Hello and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video, and welcome back to my beautiful farm life. Yes, Dragon is here with me today, and so is my cat. So you may hear a few meows. I'll probably see. I won't download the video if there's meows. Shh, Griff, stop. He's probably gonna meow through the whole video. If I don't pet him, I can't pet him while I'm playing Minecraft. You know what I mean? So I guess I'll have to. See, he meows too much. For goodness sake, he meows too much. Now, we're playing on Farm Life again. We managed to get out of the mine. He knows his way around this place. He really does. Just fly. I was just telling my dad how I found diamonds. My first 3 videos. So awesome. I was telling him how awesome it was and how happy I was for that to be able to happen. So, I mean, wouldn't you be? Wouldn't you be? You just had got that many diamonds in. So that wasn't a lot of episodes, was it? It was only 3 episodes, and we found diamonds. Remember, did that ever happen to you? If it did, you're totally lucky because it never happens to me. I'm not very lucky. Happily, sometimes I can be. It's not very often. Okay, but I did not. I'm sorry. I again did not get a bucket. I'm very sorry. You may be very mad with me, but no, I really didn't get a bucket. Okay. I've got plenty of sugarcane for one. But look at this. Look how much sugarcane there is. We're swimming in sugarcane. I'd like to see how many we have altogether. Very good. We have 5. Okay, let's make some iron bitties. Everybody like iron bitties? They better. Because they're the coolest. I'm going to go Stampy style. Stampy style. You know what Stampy style is. I know you do. You have to. It's not like you have to. It'd be nice if you did. I'd be happy. I'd be happy. I'd be a happy Speedy. Stampy style, but with an iron helmet. I hope Stampy's not unhappy that I'm wearing an iron helmet. What if he watched my video? That'd be nice. And if he commented on it, I'd be happy. I'd be a happy Speedy. I would be a happy Speedy. Plenty of saplings. Aren't you happy? We have plenty of saplings. We have all we need. We couldn't be happier. I couldn't. Is he on? Yeah. He's probably just doing some random thing. So I'm gonna go into /GMC and get us a bucket. I'm sorry, I'm cheating, but I keep forgetting to get us buckets. Well, 5, and let's put them in there. I'm gonna have my bucket, and let's fill it with some tasty. Watch this. I mean, you can milk cows. I'm telling you, you can because I've done it before. I've watched people do it. I've done it. Okay, now cow. I know you can milk cows. I know how to milk cows. I'm telling you. Okay, now dirt. Dirt, and put that in front of my redstone. This is here. And that's my mom. Yeah, she's talking. So I'm gonna have to end this video here. This is gonna be a very short video, actually. I'm very sure I'm gonna make a video straight away now. But see you tomorrow. Okay? We'll see you next video. I'm gonna get some things sorted out with Dragon before we start next video. Maybe we'll have some nice things. He's doing redstone. Everything's really nice. I'm gonna make us some pressure plates, which I'm gonna do right now. And once I've made the pressure plates, we're done. Well, how do you make pressure plates out there? Shift. 2 pressure plates, that's enough. Well, actually, no, we're gonna have more than that. Just to get in, I think. Just to get in. No, close the door first. Right? Open it, and when we go out, we'll close it. Really useful. It's not very fast, but that really doesn't matter. But thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!